Hello folks, and welcome to part 3 of the course, where I'm going to take you from having zero ability on the drums to being able to play a beat along with some music. My name's Pete. Here's your first beat. It's called an 8th note rhythm. Let's get into it. Take your right hand, cross it over the top of your left hand and count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nice and slow like that, and nice and loose. Once you've got that, try adding your bass drum in on beat 1 and on beat 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and when you've got the hang of that, try adding in this, the snare drum, on beat 2 and on beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that is a basic rock beat which you can fit with all sorts of music. It's really useful. Try it, get the hang of it, play around with it, and you'll be away before you know it. Anyway, well done. You enjoy it, crack on with it and see what you can make out of it. I'll see you on part 4, where we're going to learn how to join that into a fill around the rest of the kit and make it more musical. I'll see you there.